Welcome to Mathematics and Statistics, Class 12 Commerce, Part 2, Chapter 1, Commission, Brokerage and Discount. This is the 10th part of the series, Learning with PYK. Let's start by understanding few concepts. Present worth, sum due and true discount. So when we say present worth is the worth of an item or a service as on date. Sum due would be the value of an item due based on a certain period, maybe a credit period, less the true discount. So true discount is calculated as simple interest on PW, that is the present worth. So true discount is calculated as present worth multiply n is the period, multiply r is rate of interest, divide 100. So we know that sum due is present worth plus the true discount. Substituting in the formula, we know sum due is PW plus the true discount. So solving, we get sum due is present worth multiplied by 1 plus n multiply r, that is period, multiplied by rate of interest, divided by 100. Let's understand few more concepts. In this chapter, we need to understand the difference between the drawer and the drawee. So a drawer is a person who draws the bill. So who draws the bill becomes a drawer, and the person on whom the bill is drawn is known as drawee. Due date of the bill. The date on which bill is drawn is known as the date of bill. And the face value is the amount for which the bill is drawn. So due date will become the date on which the bill is due for payment. So date of the bill, say, is 31st of March and the due date is 31st of July. So the due date is 31st of July. Nominal date is the date on which the period of the bill expires. And the legal due date is the date on and after which the services will be cancelled or the late fee will be charged. So we include a grace period in the due date, which becomes a legal due date. Let's understand this with example. So this is example 1 of exercise 1.2. What is the present worth of a sum of rupees 10,920 which is due 6 months, hence at 8% per annum simple interest? So we need to find the present worth. Let's divide the solution in 4 parts. Sum due is 10,920, that is given. We have also been given the period, that is 6 months. We calculate the period on the yearly basis. So 6 divide 12 is half a year. Rate of interest is 8%. To find the present worth, we have to directly find the present worth. So let's revise the formula. We know sum due is present worth plus the true discount. Putting the value of true discount, which is calculated as simple interest on the present worth, we get sum due is present worth plus the true discount. This is the formula which we need to remember. So let's put it. Putting the values, we get 10,920 is equal to present worth into bracket 1 plus period multiplied by rate, that is half multiplied by 8 divide 100. On solving, we get present worth as 10,500. So the answer is the present worth for the given item is 10,500. So in this case, we can understand that 10,920 less 10,500, that is 420 is the true worth, true discount which has been given. So the amount which would become due after the period of 6 months, the person has to pay 420 as an additional charges. Let's understand the second problem. What is the sum due of rupees 8,000 due 4 months, hence 12.5% per annum simple interest? So let's start our solution with 4 parts given to find the actual solution and the answer. So given is present worth is 8,000. The amount would be due in 4 months. So we'll convert it into the year, that is 4 divided 12, that is 1 by 3. Rate of interest is 12.5% per annum. We have to find the sum due. So the formula, sum due is present worth plus true discount. Sum due would be present worth plus true discount calculated as a simple interest on the present worth. On solving, we get sum due as present worth plus into bracket 1 plus NR upon 100. So substituting the given in the formula, we get present worth is 8,000 multiplied by 1 plus period is 1 by 3 multiplied by 12.5 upon 100. On solving, we get 8,000 multiplied by 25 upon 24, which is 8,333.3333. This is a recurring. So we generally stop after 2 decimal places. So the sum due for the given present worth is 8,333.33 paise. Let's understand the question number 3. True discount on the sum due 8 months, hence at 12% per annum simple interest is say 560 rupees. Find the sum due and the present worth of the bill. Solution given. To find actual solution and the answer. So given is the true discount, which is 560. We have been given the period, that is 8 months. We'll convert it into the years. So 8 divided 12, which is 2 by 3 a year. Rate of interest is 12%. We have to find the sum due and the present worth. So the formulas, repeat the formulas again and again so that you don't forget. So let's divide it into 2 parts. We need to calculate the sum due and the present worth. So we'll start with true discount. True discount is calculated as a simple interest on the present worth. So which comes out to be 560 is present worth multiplied by period, that is 2 by 3 into rate of interest 12 divide 100. So PW comes out to be rupees 7,000. Now, since we have PW and we know the true discount, let's substitute the values. We get 7,000 plus 560. This means it is 7,560 is the sum due after a period of 8 months. So the sum due is rupees 7,560 and the present worth is 7,000. Question number 4. The true discount on the sum is 3 by 8 of a sum due at 12% per annum. Find the period of the bill. So here, instead of giving a direct value, we have been given as a condition that the true discount is 3 by 8 of the sum due. So let's divide the solution in 4 parts. Given true discount is 3 by 8 of the sum due. Rate of interest is 12% per annum. We have to find the period, that is N. Formula. Now substituting in the formula, sum due we get as a present worth plus true discount. Now let the sum due be SD itself. So it becomes sum due plus present worth plus 3 by 8 of sum due. Now solving, we get present worth is 5 by 8 times the sum due. True discount is calculated as a simple interest on the present worth. Right? So we have 3 by 8 of sum due, which is given, is present worth multiplied by N multiplied by rate of interest 12, which is given, divide 100. So from here, we have the present worth as 5 by 8 times SD. So SD can get cancelled. On solving, we have only one variable which is left. So N becomes 5. So the period for the bill will be 5 years, right? Let's understand question number 5. 20 copies of the book can be purchased for a certain sum payable at the end of 6 months and 21 copies for the same sum in ready cash. So here we have been given that 20 copies would be equal to the cost of 21 copies. We have to find the rate of interest given to find actual solution and the answer. Sum due for 20 copies is the present worth of 21 copies. It says that sum payable at the end of 6 months. So here we are offering a credit of 6 months, which is same as the present worth of 21 copies. Period N is 6 months. So dividing 6 by 12, that is half a year, we need to find the rate of interest. So let's start. Let the present worth of one copy be rupees X. So we know that sum due for 20 copies would be the present worth of 21 copies. So present worth of 20 copies plus the true discount of 20 copies. Using this formula, sum due is present worth plus true discount. We get present worth of 21 copies. So on solving, we get true discount on 20 copies would be present worth of 21 copies less the present worth of 20 copies. So on putting the values, we get R, that is rate of interest, as 10. So the required rate of interest is 10%. So see you in the next part. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.